Hello everyone, welcome to Gold Classes. We are in Varanasi and I have with me a couple of speakers. So they are from some other countries. So I want to know from them for you. So please listen to what they are saying here. So firstly, I want to ask to you, what's your name?
First of all, I would like to say nice to meet you.
Yeah, thank you.
Initially, my name is Tenjin Ongmom,
Yeah.
and
The country, what is the name of your country you belong to?
my country's name is Nepal.
Yeah, you are coming from Nepal.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is, I think, a very friendly country of India. So we always have a good relation with Nepal. So we are in neighborhood. Okay, so Nepal is a country that is in the vicinity of India. Okay, so actually, I want to know, you are wearing a different kind of dress actually. So what is the job you are doing over here, or something that you have to say about it?
I came for my study
Yeah.
because in Nepal there is there is no better education.
Yeah. So you live here in India.
Yeah.
So how many years have you spent over here so far?
2 years.
2 years you have spent. Okay. So what kind of education you are in? Please tell me the name of the course or stream you are in. Which kind of education you are receiving over here?
Like philosophy.
You are studying philosophy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And name of the institution where you are studying? Please tell me a little bit about that.
Tibetan Center Tibetan Higher School.
Yeah. Okay. So, do you have your family here in this country? You are. So, the next question I have for you is, I want to know, this place Sarnath is famous, quite famous in every nook and corner of the country. Everybody knows this. People keep coming, and people from other countries like Tibet and UK, US, they keep coming here, and they have something that they find here that is very interesting. So, do you think what is the importance of Sarnath in your studies? Yeah.
As I know, Sarat is the one of the famous place because in here
Yeah.
Buddha gave first teaching.
Yeah.
Four noble truths.
Yeah.
That's why.
Okay. Thank you so much for being here and agreeing to be a part of this small video. Actually, we have done it for the purpose of study. Students keep watching these videos, such videos. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Let me say, and coming to the conclusion, I want to request you. So please say something in the conclusion. Do you have to say anything about the entire experience, that the conversation we have had? How was it like? Please talk to me a little bit about that.
First of all, I don't have any experience being communicate with people. So
Yeah.
I feel so glad to communicate with you, and
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Actually, I am a teacher and this is my job to perform. So I always try to teach my students how to speak. And I cannot say I am the best speaker, but I am just trying to give them support, some sort of help that they are seeking. So this is my duty. This is why I am here in Varanasi, and I am doing my job. Thank you so much again for being here and being in this video. Thank you so much once again. Namaste.